Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Glad to have you back. Hit that like, comment below on these videos. That helps, show YouTube that some of my videos are interesting. But anyways, today what we're going to work on is the Scag 36-inch walk behind mower. Order some belts for it, and let me show you the belts and what we're going to be replacing. As you can tell, these are the drive belts. They are pretty rough condition. I think they are stretched out. You can see right there, that one's about to be breaking in half. Over here you can see, you can pretty much see daylight through them, but we're going to replace those with brand new belts that I ordered offline. These were way cheaper than what they were from Scags. I think on Scags it was like $102 a piece for one of those belts. And I think I gave like $42 for those. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to take off the old belts and all that. That way we can get them put on, and hopefully with new belts, it'll grab reverse and be able to back up on its own without me help pulling it backwards. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is remove this spring here, and I believe we'll just take this bolt off, this nut here, pull it off, get you a pair of vice grips or needle nose, pull the spring and take it off of this. That way we get the spring off, because the spring is preventing the belt to come off. So let's get that done. All right, so after you got the belt back installed, now we gotta get this put back on. So this may prove to be difficult if you're not strong enough, but as you can tell, it wasn't that bad. Put our nut back on here. And just like that, we've got our belt on, so let's get the other side on. So I'm not going to board you with this side, so we're going to put this one in time lapse and get this one done, then we'll test it out. Here's my old belts. As you can tell, they are old, wore out. These are probably the belts that it came on the mower when it was new. You can tell, like I said, it's all tore up. They're all dry rotted, whatnot. So we got rid of those. We do got the new belts. As you can tell, just from the looks of it, these are like maybe a tad bit wider, so that's good. So let's go ahead, let's start this thing up and let's see how much better it is pulling, and let's hope that it's got reverse on its own without no assistance. So no luck with the reverse. So I don't know what's going on with it or not. So, stupid spider web. Anyways, the belts did not take care of the reverse problem. So I think it may be somewhere in the transmission there or adjustment, but yeah. Still have to replace the belt for the blades. I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, but it's all cracked and wore out, so we need to get another one of those before it breaks out on a job site somewhere. So now I do have another caster coming too. I ordered it. It should be here sometime next week. So we'll get the correct one on here. That way we can adjust it properly and won't have no problems. So yeah. But I guess that'd be a good thumbnail, I don't know. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this short video of installing the drive belts on the Scag's 36-inch walk behind. Comment below if you have one of these. I know I've seen a lot of videos on the newer style walk behind 36. I don't know what year this one is. I know it's pretty old because of the older style Kawasaki motor on it. But like I said, tell me if y'all had one of these or had a chance to use it. Tell me what y'all think about it. And we're gonna get some more videos of me mowing with this thing, and hopefully it'll turn out pretty good. So comment below, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.